What up? What up? What up? It's my boys. Right. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh. Flat no, flat no, flat no. That ain't it.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility and diversity.
Oh, I dig it. Nice little level right here. When we open up, 15 minute. Well, is that on a yes? My transition's probably gonna give me a fucking ad, bro. No shot. Of course, of course,
A complete solid pattern may be used.
of course.
The mold box is filled with special molding sand that is rammed home around the pattern.
Damn, nobody. Oh, Tism's on. What? Interdesting. Oh yeah. Oh, boys. How did we do on Saturday? How do we do? We play all right? Ah, not bad at all. Could have played better overall, Patty. We're cracking our drives. Hell yeah. Cracking our drives. Fucking love it. Let's ride. Who won? Y'all win? Ooh, 9:30. Small opening range gap. We'll take that 1 minute sell side. I kind of like to keep going higher here. ES already took out its high. Still, like little six sister to happen. ES already took out Friday's and last week's high, basically. I like it to push up. ES pushing up here. NASD looking kind of sus. A little suspect. Yeah, Klinger's nasty, bro. Who was in Klinger's group? Good buy side right there, boys. I want to revisit that after taking out last week's high. Maybe look a little something like this. That's what I'd love to see. Trade back down below that into this area. I'd rather not see it hit it now. I'd rather see it go up, take it out the buy side, then come back down to the range. Then you also have last week's PM session low. It's pretty juicy. Nice little curve here. We just, swipe that. That'd be nice. Anything higher is just like, I'm not really interested, to be honest. Yeah, Klinger definitely carried. Tommy's like a high school friend. He used to work at UPS on the day sort. Yeah, just a high school buddy. I'd like to see that a little bit later. Nice, just a little tank sesh. Tank sesh plays. Thanks, we go for these lows now. Might just melt to him. Yeah, 100%. Hondo P. $10-minute right there. Yep, look at that. 10-minute Fairby. Version here. Taps into it. I get to keep selling from there. Best case, fair value gap. First presented. First presented short. There it is. How you doing? With the 15-minute invasion. Yep, first presented short. There she goes. G fucking G's. Clean. Very, very clean. Very, very clean. Massive retracement now again. Yep, taps back up into it. Probably going to short again. There it goes. There she goes. Ew. There's fair value gap of the session. Taps up into it. Tanks. You have everything right there, bro. Everything. Here we go, open gap low. Relative equal lows. Just beautiful. Goes up again. I might actually get into it. I don't think it will, though. Definitely shouldn't. Be kind of weird if it did. I don't need that. Just did right there. Definitely can't. I can consolidate around that shit. Stop loss just has to be a mile high if I even want anything to do with it. Fuck. First TP wouldn't be that bad. I put something light on it. I like it enough to take it. Punch back up into there, I'll take it. Something light. Start off the week. $100. $23 to make 100. I'll take it. I'll move the stop loss just a hair up. There we go, a little dumper. We don't hate the dumper there. Half, like, what kind of risk is that? Like a sixth of a risk now? Wants to stop me out? I'll take it for one. Just the reclaimed. So. A cool little stop out here. $23, no big deal. I'll get back into it with some low risk. Wants to do it again. Definitely the best one to short. There she goes. It's all right. I liked it a lot. Liked it a lot. $23 stop. That's a wrap. Enjoy your Monday. Definitely going for the highs now here. 104, but not look great. Yep. We'll take off from there. Want to see it dip back down a little bit. Would have loved to see it take sell side there and then go for the highs, but definitely didn't have to. Ew. Everybody got right here. 1 minute.
Yeah. Falling into love hurts just as much as falling out of it. But I'll scrape my knees and scar my shins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for your
What in the hell?
Be a Romeo and Juliet, except without the age difference, and we can forget the death. 'Cause this is
There she goes. There she goes. Beautiful. What's that actually lose? Wait, 23 bucks? That's 25, 25, 50, 75, 100, 1/6. What's 1/6 of that? That's a third. A six is like 1.5 R. That's pretty good. Here we go, open gap. Goes bearish. Moved the sell to 50%. Great risk management. There we go, boys. GG's. Little last leg. One of the pre-market lows. Had a nice drop. SMT on these highs up here. SMT. Had to use this 15-minute inversion. This one, it went down, came all the way back up on the 5-minute. Nice extension. It hit just a couple times. That's the only thing I would say. So 1, 2, 3. What a fucking jam. Yup. 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 I think we'll keep. I think we'll actually keep going lower here. Just reuse it again. I'll probably take the same fucking trade. I'm gonna be honest. If it gets back down below it. Doink. What are we thinking, boys? Oh, the drop. Come on, come down to old T-Fred. Just wanted to run buy side first. I'm so down for a little sell side run here. Home, babe. Give me that shit again. I will take it. Where's a 1 minute on ES? That bad boy. There she goes. Just a little stop run and tank. Love to see a lower run here. Buy side's already taken. I can't really make a case to run higher. I don't know where I'd be running higher to. Look at the bodies on that that price right there. On April 1st, Nadog. Look at that. Clean bodies. Where is that? Where is April 1st? Oh yeah, that rejection block, bro. Lean. Oh, I'm shorting the shit out of this again. I'm gonna go full fucking rest too. What was that? 3 contracts? Yeah, 3 contracts. Three Contis. Everybody locked and loaded? We locked and loaded, boys? I'll go 3 Contis on her. 3 little Contis. Gives it to me. Gotta give it to me. Can't just buy from there. First 5-minute fair value gap right here. Where's the top of that? Damn, that'd be a nice fucking trade, bro. We can get it. I love it. So many good areas right here, bro. So many good areas. Of that short. One's weaker. Definitely further. You definitely got more room. More room to go.
I like it. I like it.
Do you like it like that? Like that? Waiting, baby. Just waiting. Oh. 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 Great level right there. Great level. Thanks, tanking. I love it. A nice little close below, baby. That's all I'm looking for. Could be it right there. Could definitely be it right there. I'll get into it right there. Oh, not let me in? That little shit bag. Hit my original entry. And get up to that guy. I want the 5-minute high, bro. Oh, no, bro. Didn't get me in. Shot. No shot. It didn't get me in, bro. Pierce up there. No shot. It doesn't come back up and get me in. No shot, bro. Oh, man. Oh, that's such a fucking doozy. Man. None of those would have got me in. Oh, that's so unfortunate. That's such a fucking heartbreaker, bro. I still like it until the swing low gets taken, but I don't think it's not gonna have to come back up. I think it's just gonna tank. It's too fucking heavy. That's so unfortunate, bro. Ah. That's exactly what I was looking for today. That's crazy. Except for this tank. I'm glad I took the tiniest loss, or I was looking for the run higher and then fucking just drop off a table, dude. Oh. Literally had one up close candle right there. Oh, that's so unfortunate. G fucking G's, boys. Fuck. Damn it, bro. That's so fucked. So fucked. Do we think it's going to keep going lower? That could be a breaker to run even lower. 5-minute breaky. Damn. Yeah, it's fucked. That's so unfortunate. I'm so pissed. Yeah, I just don't know if I have enough lift for all that. Didn't give me fucking shit, dude. Are you kidding me? It just slipped, even on the 15 second. Like nothing. Just straight, you know. That's just crazy, bro. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. ES we can maybe get in sync with, but how much lower do I see NASDAQ going, bro? EM session lows. I like it. I don't fucking hate it. Still getting the last leg. Gotta show me something on the 5 minute though. Right here, got the breaker. ES train up to a 15 minute. Baby. Right here. You can come all the way back up to this. I just don't want to see a trade pass first presented on ES. This hitting the breaker right now. So this slow. All the people who are caught long here didn't exit their position here. They're now underwater trying to exit their position in a break even state. Should want to roll over if it's going to go. Should want to roll. Do a little barrel roll. Barrel roll. Oh, man, that was a trade though, bro. Shit. G fucking G's. I can still see it going higher, bro. We're just in a fucked area. Like, that was the trade, bro. Damn it, damn it, damn it, dude. That would have been an easy 1 to 2.6, bro. That was probably one of the easiest fucking setups, dude. Easy setup. It said, nah. It said, nah, I don't want that shit. It said, give me the first 5 and the first 5 only. It's like, fuck. 5 minute IO fed right there. 5 minute breaker inside of it. IO fed fair value gap. Now we should tank. So that's the 5 minute closure right there. Anything here, we should see lower prices. I don't want to see it trade back up into the high end of this. Really to the opening. I don't want to see it trade back up to the opening. No shot. ES breaker up in here as well, bro. That shit could just drop. Like, even that would be just like a clean setup. Breaker. If you don't see it going higher. A lot of fucking sell side there. Like, even just ripping like one order from here, bro. Like 2 just clean setups just to rip lower. Might take one from up here, and be honest. If I can get a good entry. If I can come back up to that, I'll take one. But I don't think it will. I think we'll just tank from right there, bro. I think it's just dropping. Chocolate dropping. Oh, fucker. Yep. See, I would have taken one from right there, bro. Just looking at it looks fucking dirty. Like, so much sell side, buy side's already fucking swept. Comes back up, I'll take it. For a super, super small entry. Come back up to old dad. What's the 2 minute look like? Let me get in on a 2 minute something something. 2 Minskis. 58.25. Basically first presented. If it comes back up to the first presented again. Do I like that? I don't know. I kind of like this one better. I get locked the fuck in, bro. I think she'll drop. Like I said, just something small on it. Just come back up. Give me just a nice entry. Yeah, for like 60 fucking bucks, bro. I'll take a fucking trade for 60 bucks, dude. You kidding me? Shitting me? MES 60 bucks right here? Nasdaq the first P again. Yeah, that's definitely the weakest. ES just might drop. I'll have to get in sync with it after it breaks the 15. Nasdaq made that higher high right there. If it wants to go, it'll go from there. Could just blast through it. Good shit, KP. Attaboy. I would want some SMT there, bro. There we go. Just drop from there. Literally just drop. I'd rather not come up and hit me. I'd rather just go from there. Because you have SMT now on NASDAQ. With NASDAQ. So you got that making the higher high. This making the lower high. We break that, bro. We could then sell the shit out of that. That'd be nasty. That'd be nasty. Nasty. See, I don't like how it's not leaving that high then. This is definitely an area where it needs to create SMT here. Big time, big time, big time. Big time. Boing, 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 boing. Alright, what do we want? What do we want? You want it to drop. 5-minute break, huh? Love to be in it. 1 minute. 2022. NASDAQ. Inside that breaker, bro. Just a $90 risk. It's just too much right now. Not sure if I want to risk that much. Might want to. ES still has a lot of fucking lows to take out, bro. It's just definitely the cleanest. It is the weakest. Right, back up in that 5-minute fair value gap now. 15-minute. Took buy side, sell side so clean. Definitely permissible here. Bam. Dom Dino. Five minutes spectacular. Like insane on the 5-minute. Like I said, since NASDAQ already made that higher high, bro. Like this should just drop from there. 10:15 coming up. Another 5-minute close. This candle should see some downward movement, bro. Big time. We already created a swing high in there. This candle should tank. As well as NASDAQ. If it doesn't, then it's GG's, bro. Like, I don't really give a fuck. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir, Patty. Wanted to see it. Didn't give it to us. Presented again on NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Should fucking go. Should slip. Nice. Now I make a higher high on ES. And now it's slipping here. Just dropped 10 points instantly from that. And now it just wants to go all the way back up. Fuck. Wants to be a little fuck shit. SMT now again on the highs. Yeah, the only thing I can see happening here is selling for sure. Higher time frame. If it's gonna go up, bro, the higher move is just gonna be up. Because I could definitely see it like 4-hour buying, like 1 hour maybe buying. Daily. Very tough spot. 15-second and low, or 15-minute and lower are all screaming lower. 1 hour and above are all screaming higher. Not screaming, but more or less right now. Five-minute closes are not the best here. I'd like that to keep going, bro. Keep going lower. Should fall. Wow, ES is making that higher high. It's crazy. Yeah, very conflicting stories I'm getting right now, for sure. I like the lower run on NASDAQ still. I mean, I could do a super low risk sell. Super duper low risk sell right here. Risk like fucking another 25 bucks to make $1 million. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Don't even come back up into this consolidation now. If it's gonna tank, it's gonna leave it and then just fucking go. I don't want to see it retrace from there now. Too big of a move. If it retraces quickly, it's probably going to keep going higher. Nice bold candles here. Come on. Come on, bub. 15-second. That might be your entry right there. Banger to go lower. If it's going to go. If it's going to go, it's going to go. Needs to do it on this candle right here. Don't give back any of that shit. Gotta go. Gotta go. Ah. Enchante. Yep, there it goes. What'd I say? That candle right there. I said I gotta go. If it doesn't, see ya. Come on, bro. Shit's crazy. Look at that. Fake out move. Quickly rejects lows and extends higher. Characteristics of a bullish institutional order flow. He said, holy stop on. Yeah, brother. Now, something else crazy. If this now breaks below that and keeps going, I'm taking this sell. If this now extends lower, hits that, and then goes, I'm taking this sell right here. 1000%. Market should not want to come back down to there. And if it does, it's probably going to keep going. He said 1000%. Yep, 1000%, bro. I'm just pissed about my other fucking trade, dude. Not even my trade that I couldn't even get into. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? That's just fucked up. It's just fucked. Some fuck shit. You know what I mean? Look at that reaction, bro. That shit's crazy. Fuck. It really do gotta be there, though. Yeah, it sucks. If it looks juicy enough. Oh yeah, brother. That's what I'm saying. About to risk a bag on it. Not even. $15, I love it. Let's ride. I'm not liking this reaction anymore now, to be honest. I think it should have tanked. It shouldn't even come back up to 515. If it's good. But who the fuck am I to say that? Tank. Said after that stab lower, nah. Doink. If this candle closes very bearish, I'll put my settlement on. Probably won't come back up and touch it though. So that's probably all I needed to do was inside this candle, it just retraced all the way back up, and now it's going to extend. And then once it extends, it's probably not going to have to come back up and touch it again. Because it did it all in 15 seconds. We'll see. Like I said, like it probably shouldn't have to come back up again. Because it just did it on that last candle. It went down, all the way back up, retouched it, and then all the way back down. All in that same candle. G fucking G's, boys. That's how it's done. That's how it's fucking done. I would definitely not want to see it come all the way back up now, to be honest. Kind of want to take ES here. Four. Put 3 on her. Breaks that swing low, I'm not going to get in, but it needs to come back up and touch it. Oh, just missing out on trades, bro. That's all we do over here. Just completely just miss out on trades, bro. Still come back up and touch it. Retrace for me one time. One time. There you go. One time for the one time. There you go. There's no way it doesn't get me in right there on that retracement, right? There's no way. There's no way it doesn't get me in right there. Right? There you go. There's a little something. Come on. Give me a little, just a little kiss. Just give me a little smooch. Just say, hey, how you doing? There you go. Boy limit. $100 risk. That's not fucking bad, boys. That's not a bad risk right there. Love to see it. How you doing? Oh, wrong one. There we go. There's a little something, something. A little something, something. Relative equal lows right there. TP1. I'll move my stop loss to break even once we hit that. A little A pluser. A glossy. I like that swing low over here. That bad boy. We'll see. Fuck it if it don't. Great setups. Great setups on the Dizay. Great close that last candle. Wish I could layer in like one more half order. One more micro, but it'll fuck up my other chats. Is what it is. I'll take a fucking L on this shit. My boy Patty. Patty trained his fucking ass off. Attaboy. Good shit, bro. That shit's clean. Good close inside here. Can we get it? Oh, not the best close ever, but good reaction. Fair value gap here. Got to see it blow through it, man. Can't see it support there and keep going higher. That's a crazy ass close right there. Yeah, don't like that at all. Don't like that at all. Gotta show some downward movement here. Yeah, GG's, boys. Nice little sesh today. I'll get off after this. GG's, boys. How you doing? Oh, that would have been so clean. Left them. Just way too clean. Five-minute lick. 15. Yeah, I just missed that first trade of the day, man. I was a little upset. A little upset with that. Now I can do whatever I want, so I don't really care. We were here. GG's down on the day. Don't care. $100. $100, $100, you know? There we go. GG's. 5-minute. Consequent encroachment, bro. You just have a whole bunch of shit there. That was sick. Let's go. Last leg. Plus A. Minus. .85 or minus 1R on the day and week. Um, 15-minute inversion fair value gap. Then you have the 1 minute fair value gap, market maker low. Love this setup. Market didn't want to deliver. That is trading. Take your setups, find your edge. Doesn't hit, doesn't hit. That's trading. G's. No sink. No say. Boink. All right, Nazi D. I thought sell side would get a little more, but still can throughout the day. Nice tank right there. Beautiful. Beautiful run lower. 15-minute fair value gap. Third touch of that. Now it should actually like fucking see a tank from there. But I will not be getting back into it. He said now it's dumping again. Dumb. This is what it is, bro. It's fucking trading. Fuck it. It's added. There you go. I try to get short here for a little bit. Got stopped out. Try getting short here. Couldn't get in sync. And then I let price prove to me that this is actually a solid level. Traded away from it, obviously. Trade back up into this fair value gap. Try to short it from the breaker. And here, short it. Stop loss was up here. And then it just ran through my stop loss. So that's a day's work right there, boys. Could have already been off the charts after that fucking dump right there, but is what it is. Could have turned very nice winning day into a just a regular losing day. It happens. Fuck it. GG's. There. Paste. Copy. Paste. You fucking G's today, boys. Just wild fucking price action. How about it? So the market is up. Funny, funny, funny. Yep. Where are my boys at? Hold up. Yoink. Oh, the dogs aren't even on. Beautiful fucking day out.
Damn, bro.
Crazy markets, huh?
That was fucked.
Yeah, I just had a 1R loss. That's it. I was like, fuck.
Yeah, I ended up losing 2. I mitigated my risk really well on that setup, but my dumbass, and honestly, it's easy to say that now, but I scaled in again at 10:33, 10:33. And that was just bad risk management on my part there at the end. I shouldn't have done that. It just looked A plus at that point, dude. Like, but man, the consolidation was just the first red flag of just fucking high resistance liquidity run. It looked ready to go, dude. The 5 minute was so fucking clean, dude. And it still could, but
Yeah, so the first time it presented the first fair value gap, I shorted it in that consolidation. Super low risk.
Yeah.
It was before the bell. It was before everything. So I shorted the shit out of it. Fucking lost. I was like, all right, whatever. I lost like $25 on it. So I lost like 0.15 R. I was like, that's sick. 'Cause I would have made fucking good money there. Then as it's dropping and tanking, bro, when it first presented, I had my order set and everything, just didn't deliver. I would have been like, bro, that would have been like a 1 to
I was
fucking.
trying to get on that too, but realistically, I probably would have tried to hold for a little longer, but yeah, that was I was waiting for it, dude. You're talking about the fucking 956?
Yeah, basically somewhere around there.
That was beautiful, dude.
It just didn't close below, and like I was just like, fuck. I had that other 1 minute fair value gap there I wanted to enter off the 940 fair value gap below, which is a 15-minute consequent encroachment as well. 15-minute inversion fair value gap consequent encroachment from 830.
Yeah.
So I was gonna enter there, and it closed below, but didn't close below the first presented. And then I couldn't even fucking think about doing anything else by the time it hit it and then went. But then I lost the first presented trade. I couldn't get in sync with the second one. Then the third trade, I let it prove to me that it wanted to go lower, and then took a short at the 1030 fair value gap.
Yep. Yeah, I got short at. I mean, I pretty much sat through that whole fucking thing with my stop above that 5 minute 930 Bissy. I got back in at 1010, just sat through it. Right when it got below that 10 a.m. first presented, that 1002 fair value gap. It was just a bad scaling by my part. Dude, the craziest thing is this shit's probably gonna go, dude. It's just fucking seek and destroy conditions, potentially. Yeah. Oh well.
Just holding price. 15-minute, like if you're looking at that, the 830 inversion, bro, it's just like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles are just now inside of that.
Yeah.
Like, it can absolutely still go. It's just like some fuck shit. But like I said, bro, I mean, like our chart is looking bullish. Everything lower time frame's looking bearish. 4 hour, we're over that. Weekly volume imbalance. Daily, we're over that, extending up through it. But we'll fucking see.
We're just in time distortion. It's hard to even tell on the lower time frames, dude. Like, it's just fucking whiplash.
Yeah.
Right when you think like, oh my god, great candle, great closure, like we left the consolidation. It's just nope.
Yep. I was also trying to get into the buy when it was started to buy up at 941. If it would have dropped down to the 941 fair value gap, I would have been in a buy. But it just had to hit the consequent encroachment of the opening range gap, and then it went.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck. But then that whole time, bro, going lower, I'm like, dude, it's gonna sell, 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 it's gonna sell. Ended up selling, but I couldn't get in sync with it. Like even the 15 second, bro, it doesn't even offer anything. It's just all fucking bearish candles.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, honestly, I lost more than I should have today. I'm down like 2.2 R because of that fucking scaling.
Yeah. Happens, bro. Fuck it.
Does it's just like that's the one thing in trading you're in control of.
Yeah, maybe you might need a rule for scaling in on like your second attempt. Like if you took a loss, like you can't scale in this time.
Yeah.
Or something.
100%.
I mean, if you're all right with taking like an A+ trade scaling into it after you took a loss, and like you're good to sit there with a -2 R just because of that, like it was good. It was a good, opportunity, right? You measured your risk the right way. You understood that if you lost, you were gonna be down 2. Like if you're more okay with doing that, then scaling into it on an A+. Like, dude, sometimes I've done that before.
The only thing that realistically in hindsight doesn't make it an A+ is we were trading into a fucking hour level. At 2 AM from overnight.
Yeah, I mean, I guess. There's just so much sell side there, buy side. Sell side's just
Dude, the
smooth.
narrative was just so clean to go down for it. Like 5-minute 15, breaker confirm. Like,
Yeah, still think it can. Like I said it's kind of just messing around, but it definitely can just drop lower. It's just kind of
just be waiting for
consolidating.
1050 right now.
Yep. So all 10 a.m. just kind of went sideways, and now it's just like, you know. But I'm definitely closing my Ninja Trader. I'm not taking any more trades today. No
Oh, I'm
shot.
fucking absolutely done.
No shot. But yeah, that's all I got for today, brother.
Yeah. Just annoying because it's probably gonna take me like, I mean, it's one trade, but
Yeah, it's all good. Ebb and flows, brother. Ebb and flows.
it does ebb and flow. It's just, and you know, at the end of the day, it's good because I just continuously add rules to.
Yep. Sharpen that sword. So, all right, brother. I'm hopping off.
All right, bro. Peace,
Yep.
man.
Peace, dog.
See ya.
Later, boys. Patrick. Peace, brother.